reference. In the following video, I will tell you the procedure steps for how to make free rice. Do you know what free rice is?
Free rice is food in the form of free rice and mixture with cooking oil, margarine or butter, usually added with sweet soy sauce, salad, garlic, tamarind, pepper, and other ingredients such as eggs, chicken meat, and couscous. The equipment needed: gas stove, fry pan, kinva, cutting board, blender, blade, and spatula. The material needed: white rice, chili, shallot, garlic, eggs, cooking oil, salt, and sweet soy sauce. The work step 1. Slice the shallot and garlic using a knife and a cutting board. Step 2. Blend the chili using a blender. Step 3. Turn on the gas stove. Put the pan heat the cooking oil. Step 4. After a while, add the shallot and garlic, the white until they turn brown. Step 5. Add the crushed chili and the egg. Step 6. After a while, add rice and stir fry. Step 7. Add salt and sweet soy sauce the fry again until all the ingredients are perfect mixture. Step A. Put in a plate. If you want it to look attractive, add couscous and vegetables.